Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to filter your searches in the Canva Photos app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Canva project, and then when you are searching for photos for your project, you can filter your searches. So let's say we are searching for Christmas photos, and then here you will see that you receive all these different types of photos in the Christmas search term. But let's say we are looking for free photos, first of all, that are not only for premium users. And when you choose this term, you will only see free photos that you can just add to your project and use them copyright free. You don't have to tag or credit anybody. These are copyright free stock photos, so you can just use them very easily. Now, what if we want to filter our search even more? We need white background photos, snow and everything. You just go to the filter again and you can choose a color that you would like. And as you can see now, we see beautiful snowy and white background Christmas photos that are all free. But now let's see if I want to create, for example, an Instagram story and I need vertical photos. I can do that also. So go to the filter again, orientation, and choose vertical. And this way you will see only free white background vertical photos. This is an amazing feature. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.